how to change Facebook profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change Facebook profile picture. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile picture just at the top left corner. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to just again tap on your profile picture. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here tap on select profile picture. And now from here you can easily select the profile picture whom you want to set as an profile picture for your Facebook. So simply tap on that picture. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to see these options like save just at the top right corner. So simply tap on the save option. Alright, so by tapping on that option, you can easily set a profile picture on your Facebook. So this is the simplest and easiest way to change Facebook profile picture. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.